In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through email using Dropbox. This method is incredibly useful when you need to share files that are too large for standard email attachments, making your digital life a bit easier and more efficient. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Dropbox website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up, but if you're following along today, I'm assuming you already have access. Ensure your login credentials are at hand to make this process seamless. Next, navigate to the folder where you want to store your file. Depending on your existing organization system, this could be in an existing folder, or if you prefer a clean slate, you might decide to create a new one. Keeping your files organized in Dropbox not only helps with managing space, but also makes future sharing even more streamlined. Once you're in the right folder, you'll either click on the Upload Files or Upload Folders button, or simply drag and drop your file directly into the Dropbox window. Dragging and dropping is quick and effective, especially for larger files. Keep an eye on the upload progress to ensure everything transitions smoothly. After the file uploads successfully, hover over it and click on the Share button that appears. This is where the magic of Dropbox comes into play. You'll notice it's a straightforward process, highlighting just how user-friendly Dropbox strives to be. Then click on Copy Link to obtain a shareable URL. This link allows anyone you send it to access the file you've uploaded without having access to your entire Dropbox account. It's an efficient way to maintain privacy while ensuring the recipient can download the file easily. With the link copied, open up your email client and compose a new email. You're probably familiar with this, but it's always handy to check that you've added the correct recipient. Making sure your subject line clearly indicates the purpose of your email, like "here's the file you requested," can also prevent confusion. Paste the copied shareable link into the email body. This is the core of what makes Dropbox so convenient, allowing you to bypass typical file size limits imposed by email servers. And if you want to personalize your message, now's the time to add any additional notes or context regarding the file. Finally, go ahead and send the email. A quick tip here, if it's an urgent or important file, you might want to ask the recipient to confirm receipt. And there you have it folks, a simple yet effective way to send large files using Dropbox and email. Whether you're sharing family videos, business presentations, or high-resolution photographs, this method ensures your files reach their destination intact and on time. Feel free to give it a try, and see how much more efficiently you can share your digital content.